Welcome to my channel, you all. I am Monique D. It has been a very long time coming. As you all have seen in the past, hopefully you've been able to follow the journey on this rehab house. As you all know, I purchased this house. It was a total rehab, a total gut. Purchased it. It was obviously a hoarder's house. Took tons and tons of dumpsters to get it cleaned out. If you haven't seen those videos, go ahead. Right now we have Abdir from X Space Hauling LLC delivering the drywall. And so in order to get this truck into the yard to unload, what he's doing is he's taking some of the load off. And as you see, the forklift was removed first because as he go up the driveway, the tail end of the truck kind of scrapes the ground. And so now he's unstrapping some of the load. He's going to take off that pallet right there in the center. And you'll see here shortly that he's going to go ahead and take that on up the driveway. You all, I am so excited. We've been working together. And when I say we, I'm talking about you as the audience and myself. We've been working together to get this house together, right? And it's very important that before you get those walls closed up that you have everything you need in place. And I'm kind of glad that I kind of took my time because I found a roof that was leaking. I found windows that were leaking. And so being able to get all those things replaced before you get the drywall up, I had to get some plumbing redone. And so taking your time and making sure everything is in place, because once this drywall go up, it's on the up and up from there. And so I want you all to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because now we've been in the tear down phase. Now we're getting in the rebuilding phase. And so if you haven't seen, again, some of those other videos, go and check out the electrical video, check out the plumbing video, check out the process in cleaning this house out in itself. Check out the project when I had to get the basement cleaned out, getting the siding ripped off. Right there you can see on the garage, getting that wall completely tore down. Mark came in and he had to demo that entire wall in order to rebuild it because it was on its last leg. So take a look how good Abner is, you all. Take a look at that far tire that's by the tree. We have a raised garden right there. Barely, I just knew he was gonna hit that brick. Boom, cleared that one. When you talk about knowing what you're doing when it comes to these trucks, Abner had it. Yep, right now, about to get it unloaded. So yes.
I think content is the future. stairs.
There it is. All the drywall that's needed for the inside. All the drywall. I have 5/8 for the ceiling. I have 5/8 10-footers, 5/8 8-footers because we gotta have that fire rated for the ceiling. Have the 1/2 inch for the wall. All of these are for the walls. But then in the other pile, there are also some 1/2 inch mold and mildew resistant for the bathroom. Here's the putty, the drywall compound, and you all will see some footage in there. We are ready. Call my guys out. They're gonna start loading it in the house. And now Admir is pulling his truck out. He's gonna do everything in reverse. So he's gonna pull his truck out first. He's gonna come back and get that forklift and load everything, strap his things down, and be on his way, you all. I appreciate you all so much for hanging in there with me. It's been a journey. It's been a while. Until next time, you all.